What's going on? How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say, anything above and not under y'all. It's a blessed day. Now I'm gonna need y'all to help me sing. Come on. We're gonna mukbang slash burping. Mukbang. Y'all welcome back to another mukbang slash burping eating show. Y'all please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if y'all like these videos. Okay, and remember to hit that notification bell, y'all. Whew, y'all, it's hot, I'm hot. What's going on, everybody? It's Monday, and it's time for another burping, chugging. We got some stuff coming up this week for y'all that y'all gonna enjoy. Alright, so I got Squirt today. Just a little 16.9 fluid ounce bottle. So we gonna see what Squirty can do for usy. That was a nice little one. Oh, y'all. What was my day today? My day was quite boring. It's Monday. I have not gotten over the weekend. Yes, I did party a lot. This is actually very good. Oh, that Squirt did it. Oh, yes. Now, y'all, this weekend I had somebody, this man, y'all, I mean, he outlined his whole thing. He told me how much he made, where he worked at, the whole 9 yards, because he wanted to be Mr. E with Darn. Y'all, I just looked at him. Let's keep it moving. Whew. Yeah, I don't know why the hell I'm so hot. I don't know why my kids be having this house hot. Always got the heat up. Ooh. It's nice outside. I don't think you need no heat. Put on some jogging pants, sweater, and you straight. Child. And not these here ones. That was good. Y'all. Let me give y'all a little more burping on command. Now, I was asked to do the Sprite and banana challenge. I have no idea what it is. I think I seen Princess do it. But, well, I've seen it. It came up on my thing. I didn't watch that one that she did, but I don't know. Y'all can tell me what the Sprite and banana challenge is about, and then I'll see if I want to do it, and I'll do it. Okay? But it's some more things y'all been asking me about, and it's coming up. Yeah. My daughters have finally said they will do the video. So stay tuned tomorrow for that one there. So we gonna see which of the three, me, Shamika, Shoshana, who can out burp who. I kind of know who gonna win already. But y'all will see tomorrow. Anyway, y'all, I ain't gonna hold y'all much longer. That is it from me tonight, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.